Want to know what you know and what you don't know about the important know-hows and skills to do well in life? Look at this Udemy course where you can find out how much you know about making right career choices, finding jobs through networking, preparing a great CV and resume, doing well in your interviews, oral communication, problem solving skills, interpersonal skills, business strategy, modeling and planning, generating and selecting right business idea, product and brand management, sales excellence, winning value proposition development, excellence in solution design, winning prototype development, and interviewing skills to get the right talent in 10 minutes on each know-how and skills, organized in the menus of 6 practice tests. You get 30 days money back guarantee when you buy this course from Udemy. WhatsApp me on +9199 500 615 882 to get a free coupon to do this course for free and know what you know and what you don't know to do well in life.